Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off all notifications while playing games on any Android phone. Now in this video, I will share two methods to turn off all the notifications while playing games. Now currently I'm using a Samsung phone which is running on One UI 7. So the first method will work on most Samsung phones running on One UI 7. Now for the first method, just open settings, then go to modes and routines. From here, tap on Game, then tap on Turn On automatically. From here, just select Game is being played, then select Done. Now the game mode will turn on automatically when a game is being played. After that, just tap on Stay Focused. From here, just select Do Not Disturb. And in the app notification section, just make sure that no app is selected. Then tap on Done. Now once you have done that, now if you open any game on your smartphone, as you can see, the game mode has been enabled and do not disturb mode has been turned on automatically. Now, if you are not using a Samsung phone or if you do not have this feature on your Android phone and if you want to turn off all notifications while playing games, just open settings and in the search bar just search do not disturb. Then tap on do not disturb. Now just make sure to enable do not disturb mode. Now once you enable Do Not Disturb mode, it will disable all the notifications on your smartphone. Just make sure that in the app notification section that no app has been selected or given the permission to send notifications while Do Not Disturb mode is on. Now simply just enable Do Not Disturb mode before playing any game on your smartphone, and you will disable all the notifications while playing games. And this is how you can turn off all notifications while playing games on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.